Gemini, how to log in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log in on Gemini, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log in on Gemini, Gemini is a Google service and a Google chatbot. So you go to gemini.google.com, or you can download the Gemini app. If you have a Pixel device, it might also be pre-installed. Now from here you'll see the sign in option from the top right hand side. Since Gemini is run by Google, signing into your Gemini account means signing into your Google account. So all you have to do here is to simply make sure to enter your Google account details. Once you enter your email and the phone number, you click on the next option, you will be logged in, and as soon as you log in, this is the kind of interface that you'll be able to see. And this is how you can log in on Gemini. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.